What's up, guys? Welcome back to Fish Over Chips Woodworking. My name's Peter, and today we're going over 10 awesome gifts that you can give to people made out of wood. So, let's get into it. Number one is cutting boards and cheese plates, or cheese servers. I don't know what they're called. They're super easy to make. These are just small pieces of maple. This one right here, I call it like a cheese plate. You know, you serve cheese on it. Basically, all it is a piece of maple that I cut, and then I use a router on the sides, and I put some mineral oil on it, and that's it. That's all there is for this one. This one is 2 pieces of maple that are glued together, and it looks really cool. Mineral oil on it, routed the edges, super easy cutting board. This one as well is just 2 more pieces of maple, really nice ones. Rounded the edges with the router, glued them together. Mineral oil, looks awesome. This one I did a little bit more work on. As you can see, I used 2 different types of maple. This one, just a different type of cutting board. Does the same exact thing. And yeah, so number one is cutting boards and cheese plates. The number one thing that you gotta know about cutting boards is they don't need to be fancy. You don't need to use a bunch of different types of wood and a bunch of different, you know, cool grains and stuff. You can just get a piece of maple and cut it, sand it, slap some mineral oil on it, and all of a sudden, you got a cutting board. Doesn't need to be super fancy. Number 2 is candle holders. Candle holders are super easy to make. All these were made out of scrap 2x4s. We got a ton of different kinds here. They're just 3 inches by 3 inches. You know, route the edges. You put a 1.5 inch hole in the middle. That's how thick regular candles are. Got this one, with bigger one, smaller one. And I basically did 4 of these, and I glued them together for this one, for like a nice centerpiece on the table. So super easy to make, and they come out pretty good. So candle holders are a definite, really good one to give as gifts. You know, Mother's Day is, shoot, you missed it. But her birthday is another time in the year, so. But yeah, candle holders are great gifts, especially for moms, grandmothers. I don't think my dad would love a candle holder too much, but my mom definitely would. So great gifts, especially for mothers. The next one, number 3, is phone holders. Everyone has a phone. Everyone can use one of these. Super simple. Another piece of scrap 2x4. And yeah, just put a nice slit in the middle at an angle with the table saw. And your phone just slips in there and add a little angle for you. It's nice. You can watch a movie, you know, just keep it on your desk. So it's an awesome gift to give to people. And, you know, it's anyone can use it. So that's a great one. Number 4 is basically the same build as the phone holder. A little bit different shape. It's business card holders. Basically, same exact thing. This is a piece of scrap 1x6, nice little cedar 1x6, and you just get that little slit in there, and then your business cards just slide in at an angle. Super nice, super easy to make. Highly recommend that for a gift. You know, pretty much everyone has business cards. You have the business card holder right there on the desk. Right next to it, you got the phone holder. You made them. So, awesome gift as well. Number 5 is a box. Everyone can use a box, especially a little nice wooden box. Super easy to make. Yeah, there's not much to say about a box. I mean, anyone can use a box. You can put jewelry in it. You can put change in it, money. I mean, card. I don't know. What do you put in boxes? You can put anything in a box. Boxes are great. Boxes, make a box. Give someone a box. They'll love it. Number 6, pencil holders. Pencil holders, super easy to make. Come out really nice. This one's just a bunch of plywood glued together. This is 2 pieces of 2x4 glued together. Then you just drill some holes in the top, and bang, you got yourself a pencil holder. Another great office gift. These are, pretty much most of these can be office gifts so far, but that's fine. A gift is a gift, no matter where you put it. So, candle holders, that's not what this is. Pencil holder. Pencil holders, amazing gift. Highly recommend making those. Number 7 is trivets, or hot plates, whatever you want to call them. You know, the things that you put on the table, and then you put the hot dishes on. I think it's called a trivet. Super easy to make, comes out really nice. And all of these are just pieces of plywood, birch and maple plywood I had left over, and I didn't know what to do with them. So I just took a router to the edge, made the edges nice and fancy, put some mineral oil on it to pop the color, and there you go. Super easy to make. You just put it down, place your hot foods on it. Another great gift for the cook in your family. If your mom's the cook, great gift for your mom. If your dad's the cook, great gift for your dad. Come on, people, who you kidding? Make yourself a trivet, huh? Trivets, super easy to make, and they look really cool. And like when the dish isn't on them, it could be like decoration. I mean, look at that. Look at that. Do you see that? It's very nice. Number 8 is wooden flags. They are super easy to make. I was actually shocked how easy they were to make. If you want to learn how to make these yourself, I'll link my video. It's either in this corner or that one. I'll link my video how to make these. They're super easy to make, and they come out looking really good. And they're awesome gifts. I'm gonna hang these up in my shop. It'll look really cool. But yeah, you can hang these up. You know, like your man cave could be super sick, or just really anywhere. It could be a nice piece of art on the wall or whatever. So flags, super fun to make. Again, watch my video on how to do those. Super cool. All right, moving on. Number 9 is wine holders. Wine holders are super simple to make, and they're really cool, especially how they work. Grab a bottle of wine, because I always keep a bottle of wine in the shop. That's a joke. Don't drink and work in the shop. That's bad. But here's how they work. Ready? You put the wine in, and you put the holder down. Boom. It's magic. Physics somehow. I don't know how it works, but it does. You can do this with a 2x4, 2x3, and it works. I have a video on how to make these as well. So if you'd like to make one of these, click in this corner or that corner. Whatever corner it is, make this. Super cool, easy. You can sand them nice and stain them a cool color. Wine holders, super good gift, and I recommend making these because people will be impressed. They'll be like, oh, you figure out how to make that wine bottle balance on your own? And you say, yes, of course, I'm a smart person. So, wine holders. Now, before I show you 10, I just showed you 10. Before I show you the last one, if you like this video, please subscribe. Me and John are trying to hit 1,000 subscribers. Thank you so much for 500 subscribers, but it's not enough. We want 1,000. Let's get to 1,000 people. All right, last one. Here we go. Number 10 is a crate. I know what you're thinking. Not the most exciting thing to end on, but once you make all 9 of the other projects, you gotta put them somewhere. Just throw it all in the crate. Super easy to make. I will be posting a video on how to make a crate. I don't know if it's already posted. If it is, it'll be in this corner, but if it's not, come back for it because crates are super easy to make and they come out looking really good. But right, we're talking about gifts. I forgot. These are supposed to be gifts. So give this as a gift. Give all 9 of these gifts to people and then say, oh wait, there's more. Now, you have something to store it in. Bang. So crates, another great one. If you make like 5 of them and you line them up, kind of like what I've done, although I'm making different size ones. But if you get like 5 of the same size crates and line them up, it'll look really cool. So yeah, be awesome gift to make people. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe. As I said, we're trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. So please subscribe. It'll help us out so much. Please comment below which one is your favorite build. And if there's any you'd like me to show you how to make, I'd be happy to do that. So again, thank you so much for watching. I hope this video helped you get some ideas of some gifts you can make for people. So thank you again for watching, and I will see you in